Okay. It's gonna be a little bit of a quick one. But these are the top 5 Buyee and or from Japan buying mistakes that you should make sure to avoid if you want to make the most profit that you can. First one's consolidating too early. Very straightforward. When you consolidate your packages, just make sure that you actually have all of them in, because one weird thing about Buyee is they will send out an email saying that your package has arrived before it pops up in your list of packages in the warehouse. And I've made the mistake of consolidating my package, like consolidating all of them after I got that email thinking it was in the list already, and consolidate it, then it pops up later. So just make sure you actually check that they're all in there. And one thing you want to do is make sure that you actually have everything in individually before you consolidate all of them together. Don't consolidate like 3 of them and then consolidate like a couple more and then consolidate again, because what they're doing is taking all the packages and putting it in one box. And then if you take that box and consolidate it with another package, they're going to take that box and that package and put it in an even bigger box. So you just want to wait till you have all the individual little packages so they can get it all in one box. Next is not using discounts. The thing with From Japan, especially, I know Buyee does it sometimes, but with From Japan especially, they have these discount codes that they show every month that they have pop up on their website, but they also get posted on the From Japan Codes Reddit. And yeah, you get like 5% off, 10% off. And then in this link here, this is some shipping discounts. So if you're not using that, you're basically just like missing out. And then next is not using Japanese. I covered this in my last video. I have this picture here. Raf Simons in English, 2,000 results. Raf Simons in katakana, over 5,000 results. So, pretty clear winner there. Not using filters. Yeah, I'm low-key like speedrunning this. My bad. But, hey, I'm basically saying everything you need to know. Yeah, anyway. I don't know why this is not working. Okay, well, From Japan's being weird right now. But when you search something up, make sure you're actually utilizing the filters. What I like to do is use low to high on From Japan and use new arrivals on Buyee, and I use both of them. So I can see all the low price ones from all the websites combined through From Japan, and all the new arrivals on Buyee. But I do it by opening every website that I use. And then I bookmark them. And when I have them bookmarked, I'm able to just check them every day by opening the bookmark folder. And the last thing is how often you should check for new listings. You don't want to really be checking all the time. Like, that's just going to take up so much of your time. If you just like dedicate, I don't know, all you need to do is just have your bookmark folders, and then when you open those bookmarks, you can just check everything you have and then close it. And I like to check maybe like 2 or 3 times a day, and it takes maybe like 10 minutes at a time. It doesn't take that long. And then I bookmark all the ones that I find profitable. Yeah. I mean, I used to just like buy stuff straight up, but I have I do have my Discord where I post all profitable listings in there. Um, so I don't really buy stuff for myself anymore. I just put them all in there for other people to get. Um, but I might get something if it's been on there for like a week or something, which it shouldn't. Most things go pretty fast. But yeah, that is basically everything. This was kind of a lazy video, but I think it's still helpful. Um, if you want to expand your reach beyond Japan, I do have a list of websites in the description for marketplace websites all across the world. There's like over 60 of them. Yeah, check it out. Hope this helps.